Alright. Um. So yeah, we didn't do much yesterday, but getting a lot better today. So I think we should be able to finish at least one more room today, and then that'll be it with like all of the mechanics that I want for the demo. After that, I think we're just gonna start polishing some rooms. Maybe polishing the force dash mechanic, zipline mechanic a bit, and yeah, we're so close to the finish line. I think I'm gonna start deleting some of these extra rooms. Before I do anything, let me just back everything up. I don't think we even did anything yesterday. Let's just call this cleanup. Middle raycast. Are we? Okay, never mind. You know what? We could try keeping this room here. I might want it somewhere in our game. Same with this one. But as for these rooms, I don't think there's anything that I actually like. We could maybe keep this room. Oh, I totally forgot we had this mechanic here. All right, we'll leave. I'm like a hoarder. I don't want to get rid of any of these rooms, even though they're kind of bad. We'll just leave it. We'll leave it here for now, in case I want to come back to it. I guess what we could do right now is, yeah, let's just try to make one final zipline room. It's gonna be. I wonder if we should try editing this room or one of these two rooms. Like, I love how much, like, it could be intricate, this like, you know, the mechanic, and super complicated, but it would have to be, like, I don't know, like, well designed. I feel like it can't be both complicated. Well, I mean, if I was really good at level design, it should be able, we should be able to make it complicated and easy to like understand or interpret from the player, but I don't think I'm there yet. So I mean, this room is pretty simple. Maybe we can try using this one. Hey, how's it going, Zumpy? How's the game coming along? Actually, before we start working on the second room, I think we should try updating. Wait. Oh, yeah. We should try updating either this room. Yeah, we should update this room. Doesn't look too hot just yet. See what we can do here. That's awesome. What sort of things are you testing out? I feel like these springs are so wide. Maybe we'll reduce it like by 2 pixels and maybe make the spring a little simpler. Let's see. Nice. Honestly, I hate working with UI. UI is my least favorite. I don't know. Yeah, I think UI is my least favorite thing to work with. I mean, once I get into the groove of it, it's alright, but yeah. I guess because it's not like actual gameplay. You know, it feels like, it's something that you need to do, but it's not like technically required for the game. Like, what I like to do with my game jam games is I don't make a UI. I usually keep it as like a part of the gameplay. If that makes sense. Yeah, I think this room is fine. Oh wait, I should have not reset our position right here. Let me see if we can get through. Alright, let's just restart this. Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, it is pretty basic, but we're still trying to understand how this mechanic should be used. So maybe it's fine to keep it basic. We can see how people react to it. Maybe our final room with this mechanic, like this current room that we're going to be working on, maybe we can make we can try making that one like the most complicated one and see how people react to it. I think that's probably ideal. Let me see this room really quick as well. I want to see how difficult it is. Yeah, I'm trying to think what's like my tier list, or like what's my tier list for types of things that I like to code or like make. So yeah, definitely my favorite thing is to work on like mechanics, like movement, or like making them super clean. You know what I mean? Like that's my favorite thing to do, I think. Or like actually no, working on the initial mechanic is my favorite thing to do. Then it's like not optimizing it, but making it like responsive. That's my next favorite thing. And that includes like player mechanics or like outside mechanics, like working with this orb or something like that. And then I guess animations would be the next thing. But animations is also kind of boring. Like not working on animations, but like working with animations, like creating an animation player and checking what state the player is in to play certain animations, stuff like that. I think is, I mean, it's okay, but it's not my favorite thing. And then it's probably level design, but it's only level design because I'm not good at it. If I was good at level design, like it's basically like playing Super Mario Maker, right? And then finally, it'd probably be UI. So it's so frustrating to work with. It's not frustrating. It's just like it feels like you're wasting your time, or it feels like I'm wasting my time. Is this too far? Yeah, it looks like it is. Alright, so let's see what we could do here. Try putting a dash orb right here, a spring right there. Or actually, if we put a dash orb right here, we could easily get across. Unless we force them to have to like, we put a dash orb here, they have to jump here, there's a spring on this side. Oops. Like that. And then, do we have a dash orb anywhere here? Yeah, we do. I'm gonna grab this one. I think we'll have to edit this room just a bit. Or this little section here. We might have to place all of this stuff a little higher, or maybe we could just lower the spawn here. I'm so used to the force dash, usually like because it's the same sprite, so I'm like, oh, it's gonna force me to dash up. I think for the player fudge, when we fudge the player, I don't think we need when we do a right dash, a diagonal dash, I don't think we'll need. No, we should keep it. Never mind. That way it's just consistent. You can achieve like your maximum distance. Yeah, this is a little weird. Unless we we could just move this dash orb slightly more up. Put this right there. Maybe put 2 here. Hey, how's it going, Fernando? Welcome. Good afternoon. It's still morning for me, actually. How's the game coming along? I saw your post. You're like 24 days away, I believe, from release. We're actually pretty close. Although I'm close to, like, I want to release my game, but it's only going to be a demo. Well, another demo. Oh yeah, we have to fix our raycast. I forgot about that. Right now, our raycast on the player's head, if it hits the ceiling, it's like as if we're in the slide state. And that's because we recently just added raycast to the player's head. So actually, I'll fix that first, because I think that should be a quick fix. Let's go to our player. And I mean, one thing we could technically do is maybe just lower it by 1 pixel. I don't know if that's going to mess anything up. It could slightly mess things up with the fudge if the player does a vertical dash downwards. But since it's at this exact point, I wonder if we did is on ceiling. Like, if we just checked is on ceiling, maybe it won't hit. So let's go into our fudge player function, and it's, you know, what's weird is that we're checking is on wall. So apparently is on wall. Yeah, is on wall is a kinematic body function. Let me try this. And not is on. Yeah, not is on ceiling. Yeah, I'm actually wondering why it's saying that we're on a wall when we're just on a ceiling. Very strange. Yeah, I plan to release the demo in a month. And then sometime in December, I plan to do the Kickstarter. I don't know if everything's going to go according to plan, but yeah. Usually doesn't, but yeah, that's what we're aiming for. Yeah, so maybe it's not. Okay, oh, yeah. It's not Fudge Player that's running, it's actually, we're entering the climb state or the wall slide state. So I guess we could check. I'm trying to think. I mean, from the jump state, we go into the slide state. Yeah, we could technically, we should clean this up a bit, but we could check if we're not in the, not on ceiling. I think the only way we can enter the climb state is from the slide state. So we would just need to make sure that we never enter the slide state. Oh, and we would have to do it in the slide state as well. Checking to go into the climb state. But yeah, let's just see how it looks right now. I must be doing something wrong. Or maybe it's not detecting that we're on a ceiling. We could check if this raycast right here is hitting anything as well. But let me try one more thing, and that's to just move left left wall raycast 1 and right wall. Oops. These two, we could technically just push down by 1 pixel. This would solve all of our issues. So we could leave it like that. Yeah, diagonal fudges, like downwards, like down here, might mess up. And it's like, well, actually, what we could do is we could move that raycast. So, what we could, yeah, we could. So we have to fix this balancing animation. Yeah, we could just check if the player's in a right dash or a left dash, or if they're in the dash state, we could just move around those raycasts. And if they're dashing upwards, it should be fine. Another issue might be there might be another issue that arises if we are like dashing upwards, and we hit a ceiling like that. So I'm probably not going to do it today. Honestly, it's such a small edge case that I doubt anyone's even going to like deal with it, but who knows. Let's just finish this room. I do like the way this mechanic works, but I also think it might be too hard for people. And I think we do need to reduce this room to 320 pixels wide, because right now you might notice that it's following the player. And I mean, it's not bad, but I think we want everything to be consistent for the first chapter. So you'll see right here, we're at 384 pixels. we have all this extra space anyway that we're not using, so it should be fine. What? Oh, this is. Let's close this. Alright. So starting out, we could probably leave this the way it is. I think spawning right here is fine. We get to this point right there, and then we hit this orb. Hitting this orb, yeah, we should give them a little bit more space. So we'll push this all the way to. I think I like going all the way up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4 pixels or 4 tiles away from the border. It's usually like what I like to hit. But we're actually going to have these spikes here. so maybe it's not as important. And we also want to give them enough time to like think before, like, they're going to enter the climb state right here, and then they have to catch it again. So either we keep these tiles like here. I think I have an idea. Do something like that. Did we only wait? What's going on here? How is it only? Oh, it was 2 tiles, and I moved it in the center of 3, into the center of 3. Oh wait, we don't want spikes right here because this is where the player is going to climb. We'll put spikes like over here, over here. Need some ones right here and right here. And I don't think we can die right here. So we can either put a force dash on the side, right? Like after we exit, or yeah, that might be the best bet. I think it looks a little ugly though, our force dash. I think we should bring the that left spring a little closer. And I mean, I think we could technically ignore the wall if we wanted to. We can ignore the spring. Maybe we don't need it there. Let's try bringing it closer. We could put spikes on the top of that wall right there. I mean, it wouldn't make the game that much harder. I would just need to know to dash right afterwards. Thanks for the follow, sis. I think we could get rid of this right here. Almost feels unnecessary. Ooh. Private dating chat bros. You guys see that? I'm surprised. I blocked them. I just blocked them. I'm surprised it doesn't remove their username, or at least it doesn't show that they've been removed. Maybe you have to do it directly on YouTube. That's too much. For now, they'll stay on the stream. You guys ever want some private dating chat girls, just hit up xxx69.biz. I'm kidding, don't do that. This doesn't, I don't know, it looks weird. Well, obviously this room, we still need to fix it a bit. Maybe we can add, I don't know, something like in the center here, or maybe even make this longer so they have like more time to think. I just want to make sure most people can beat it. Oh, hey Zumpy, now you're on Twitch. I think Twitch is better for like you can see the stream like closer to real time on Twitch, but I think it uses way more bandwidth, and it's like higher quality, I think. At least that's what I've seen from Twitch. But I'm also multi-streaming. Like, I notice sometimes people respond to me faster on Twitch. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, both pulled up. So yeah, now you get to hear my my voice twice. Oh, I see, I see. Oh, wait, no, this is the right wall. See, I'll just try it. So this wall is going to be 4 pixels away, 4 tiles away. Right there. That's 3. And then from those 3, then it's 2 tiles away. Will there be an in-game level editor? So I've actually made an editor at some point. It's very basic and it could potentially work, but at the moment there's still like a bunch of mechanics that I would have to like make work with the editor. So like right now, this kind of has to be custom made with the Godot engine, the zipline. There's no way to make this with the editor or like manipulate points. So I'd have to figure out how to make that work. So yeah, I did make one. I just don't know. It most definitely won't be in the. It won't be in the demo. Yeah, I think we should make this a little longer. Actually, I don't know. Also, there seems to be an issue, like, with our input. Like, sometimes I'll enter the dash, and after I dash, we'll dash again. And I think it's because like, well, I don't know. I feel like maybe it's our zip line. Wait, let me see if I can actually catch it. Yeah, I think it's not really a bug. It's technically, we're dashing out from the zip line, and then immediately after dashing out from the zip line, we're catching it again. Oh my god, I can't do it. Well, now I can't catch the bug, like right there. But yeah, so you might have seen I caught it and then I dash. Whatever. I know it's there. There's some bug there. I don't know how to replicate it just yet. But yeah, it's just an issue. I think what we'll have to do is, as we exit the zipline state, and we actually had this code before, there was something checking if we exited the zipline, and then we had like this, let me see here, like after that, or after teleport timer, or enter teleport state, this should be called enter zipline state or something like that. This is 0.25 seconds, let me see. Yeah, it was 0.25 seconds that we had to wait before we can enter the zip line again. And our dash lasts for 0.2 seconds. So it's literally just 0.05 seconds of like, I guess freedom that you have before you can enter the dash again. So you would just basically have to spam the button. Like spam B just as you exited if you want to keep, like if you want to stay in the orb, which I think is fine. So actually, let me write that down to make sure we don't forget. There we go. What do we do now? Guess we finish working on this room. I think this here is fine. I think we'll make this slightly longer, and put this zip line. Actually, maybe we could keep this the way it is. And make this zip line continue upwards. I don't know if we want to put a respawn like right here. You know what? I think I'm not going to put a respawn. I'm hoping to make this little section right here as fun as possible. That way, if they die a bunch of times right here, they won't mind, hopefully. Or you know what we could do? What I'm thinking of doing is, like, technically you can go from this spring to this zip line without hitting the checkpoint. So as long as there's an indication that you can hit the checkpoint, you know, you'll save time to get here if you want to, like, you know, speed run the game. But if you die, then it's like, you know, it's super punishing. So yeah, we'll put another checkpoint right here. put it like that, or maybe like that. Maybe we'll put a force dash, just so it's obvious. What is it? 90? No, 270. Something like that. I mean, technically, at this point, you could actually just dash upwards, or we could push this upwards a bit. Let me copy this, and then let me clear it, and then we're gonna push this up, and then try pasting it. There we go. It's so weird working with curve 2Ds. Like, you can't move an object unless you don't have a curve, or at least I don't know. Maybe I don't know why they did that. Actually, technically, I think you could move it around like this, but yeah, moving it with the editor is impossible for whatever reason. What was it? 112. All right, so for this room, or for this little section here, I think we're going to make it a lot easier. We're gonna have to figure out what to do with this little section here. Hey, how's it going, Bloody Victor? How you doing, man? So yeah, this zipline here is a little boring. We could just get rid of it altogether. Maybe you go from here. Let's copy it, we'll clear it, we're gonna push it over to like, yeah, we can leave it like that. You dash over here, okay, let's paste it again. There's gonna be a force dash in the center. Like this, maybe. There's not much like room to work with Oh, actually, we have a lot of room on the left side, so maybe they dash over here, dash out, hit maybe a force dash, hit a spring, jump around, catch it again. Come here. There's gonna be a checkpoint right there if they need it. Oh no, there's not gonna be any checkpoint. And then from there, we do this whole square zip line thing and then finish off right there. I'm pretty good. We're on the last level for the zip line. Like this is gonna be the last level showcasing the zip line, and then I guess we'll polish the game a bit and then work on the final 4 rooms. The final 4 rooms are basically just gonna include all of the mechanics we've made so far, and maybe another mechanic. One mechanic with the there's like these air draft things that like push you up. We might include that in the demo. We'll see. And then we'll be done. And then it's just a matter of like polishing all the rooms, making them look nice, adding decorations, maybe polishing some of the mechanics. This is the last month, so I don't know. It's a little overwhelming, but I think we could do it in a month. I feel like I have to like stream twice a day. We'll see how possible that is, because I know I'll burn out really quick if I try streaming twice every day for the next month. But who knows? Maybe I'll stay motivated. So let's push this. Let's delete this. We'll put our spring right there. And we need to put a force dash. Actually, I'm not entirely sure how we can make this work. I think we'd actually have to bring this lower. And right after entering this orb, they have to dash out pretty quick. So maybe we can leave it like that. Maybe make them dash out here. I don't know. is the same mobile or PC game. I could technically make it for PC, or I am making it for PC, but I could technically release it for mobile. But yeah, right now I'm just focusing on PC. Yeah, currently you can't play it on mobile unless you had like a keyboard attached to your phone. Keyboard or Xbox controller. But I actually don't have a browser version anymore either, so unless you had an archive of the HTML version, a controller connected to your mobile device, then yes. But no, right now. Yeah. So I don't really like the way this looks. There needs to be spikes somewhere here to force the player out and kill them. But we also need space to like get through. Oh, you know what we could do? We could put a portal somewhere. Oh, I can't believe I didn't think of this. We could like block this out entirely, make a portal, like, you know, they hit this orb, they hit the they hit a portal somewhere. Don't know where though. It'd have to be like maybe up here. I was thinking of making the final 4 rooms include stuff like portals, but you know what? It doesn't hurt to do it a little sooner. So you dash out, maybe hit a spring. After you hit the spring, or maybe we could just get rid of the spring altogether. You dash out, hit a portal, takes you to this other side. After you come out of the portal, you hit this. I'm trying to think, maybe we could do it down here too. Let's just try it up here for now. So delete this spring. You're gonna put a portal like that. Something like that. And put teleport node 2. How many members do I have on Discord? On the memory Discord, give me 1 second, I'll check for you. Probably like around 50, if I had to guess. Let's see. $60. Alrighty. Let's see how this looks. ooh, ooh, ooh. Go here. Honestly, we could add a portal here instead, because this looks a little jank. Okay, so we can't actually reach this portal just yet. We're gonna have to bring it closer. Oh, and what the hell? It's so slow. That's okay. What we could do here. You know what would be cool? Will there be an in-level game editor? So I actually started working on one. Maybe I can show it to you guys. I forgot what it's called. Level editor? It's pretty simple though. Let me see if this will even run. No. Maybe it's something, maybe it's called something else. Editor world. Let me see. Maybe that's what it's called. No, I don't think so. Yeah, so we do have a level editor. Let me see why it's not running. Min cells. Used cells. Hotel 2. Well, it's part of a room. Get used rectangle? Yeah, I think so. Is that like within certain bounds? Get used rectangle. Let's see. Why is max x used cell 0 as well? I think it's me iterating through all of them. So I just grabbed the first one and then I check. Where was it? Where the hell is it? Oh, we're in the wrong script, that's why. Oh, the reason why it's not working is because we've probably added some new things to AutoTile, so actually I have to I'm just gonna keep this here because I don't know if it's gonna mess with our code here. Get used rectangle should help with that. All right, yeah, I'll look into that. But yeah, this was the editor. How I made it work was basically, the only issue with the current level editor is that I'm using the tile map to like manipulate like where objects can be, but technically like they could go anywhere on the map. Like sometimes I put them like, I don't know if you guys can see the grid, but like if the grid is right here, sometimes I want to put it in the center of this grid or like in the center of these two nodes. And I can't really do that with the editor just yet. So we'll have to see what we want to do. It might be that maybe we should use the grid to make everything like consistent and like fair. But yeah, currently in the game we're not bound to the grid. Like sometimes, let me see. Let's see if there's an example. Actually, I think most of the time I like to stick to the grid. Yeah, maybe it's fine. Oh, but I was thinking of doing this thing where even though there's a delay with the player teleporting from this orb to this orb or this portal to this portal, what we could do is make it so that there's technically still what am I trying to say here? Even though there's a delay, we could pause all other things. So it's like it's as if there's a delay, but it's as if it's instant, but time I guess slows down. So like we would slow down everything. I would have to make like a global speed value of everything. Which I haven't even thought of. So maybe we'll save that for like after the demo is over. That'd be pretty cool, actually. Like a slow time mechanic. Well, like Delta. I know they have like engine. You can like slow down time with the engine speed or whatever. What is it? Is that ideal to use? Like, I've only used it for like debugging. Where is it? Engine.timescale. Is setting the timescale Oh, well, the thing is, it wouldn't be a time. I mean, I could use a timescale, but I feel like I would want to code. I'd want to code like my own timescale. But yeah, we probably won't do that anytime soon. For now, we're just gonna work around the teleporter. So right now, our zipline is like it already gets across before we can actually hit it. So I mean, maybe we could just try making it longer. The zip line here, like push it up all the way up here. But we need to make sure that the player knows that they have to go for this one. So what we could do is we could still keep a force dash around here, or maybe like just right above. And maybe we will rotate this 180 degrees. What's going on? Let's move this here. We'll put some spikes. I'll see you, Bloody Victor. Thanks for stopping by, man. So yeah, we could leave it like that, and maybe let me just bring this up. But yeah, I do really like the idea of slowing down time. So, we're in the afterlife. Like anything could happen. Oh, we have to bring that portal closer. Oh, and I kind of... I'm surprised my Xbox controller isn't broken. I've dropped it so many times on stream. If I make sure my code handles variable delta time well, it should work with time scale. Yeah, I mean, most of my things are multiplied by delta. Yeah, like all movement. I mean, I'm either using, like move and what is it? Move and slide with snap or something like that. So yeah, it should work. But I'm wondering if like maybe certain things would work. Like maybe certain things would work at the same time scale. So like the teleporter itself would still be in real time, but other things would be slower. Oh, it would affect other things, and it should affect other things like tweens and timers. I do have a lot of timers on my player, so maybe we should use timescale just to save myself the hassle of like coding for all of that. Yeah, let's try one more thing. I want to see if we put teleporters in that wall instead of entering the slide state. So like, whoops. Yeah, the teleporters would stay. Oh, but yeah, like the teleporters need to be in real time, but then actually it's not even the teleporters. It's actually the player timers that need to stay consistent. The teleporters don't really do anything; they just send the signal. So we might have to speed this up, or maybe we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Just teleport node 4. Let's try that. It does seem like a really cool thing. Like, I would love to work on it right now, but I don't want to get distracted. Maybe we'll try. What happened here? Why is that? What did we do? Oh, I think we pushed it in too much. So yeah, I mean it could work, but right now there's nowhere for us to go, or like we can't really catch the zip line here. Let me try this again. You can either put a spring maybe in the middle. should make like a pause button so we can see what's going on there. I mean, pressing escape pauses the game, but then it pops up that UI, you know? What we could technically do is maybe bring the zip line closer. We would lose some of that symmetry that we had going on before. Let's see how that looks. The only issue with this is that we don't see the zip line by the time we come out, so we don't know that's going to pop up there. So if we could bring it down just a bit, maybe we could like increase the distance, like horizontally. Like we could bring this over here maybe. So let's try this. We can get rid of like all of this other stuff. We could work on that later. Let's just copy. how's it going, A98? Welcome, welcome. Well, to be fair, I actually started pretty early today. I usually start around this time. But yeah, I woke up a little early. Well, I tried to wait. Oh, look! This is what our editor looked like at some point. I mean, it did crash, right? It wasn't working. Let me see. Oh, you know what the issue is? We're using room. I actually don't know why this doesn't work. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, this worked at some point. Let's see. This is the part of level design that I like, when we come up with like these cool new ideas of like combining mechanics or something that's like kind of creative. Brings me joy. So I think we could do something like that. Also, I need to make sure, even though we do have fudging in the game, like, fudging shouldn't be noticed or like used as like a mechanic in the game. So like you might have seen down here, when we got here, like I fudged into this little area right here, but we should just make it work, you know what I mean? Yeah, we'll fix that. I literally just bring this down 2 tiles. Dash, up, right here. You can see this little area. I like the area, but it does look ugly in my opinion. Let's just see. Yeah, there we go. Oh, whoa. We're like very close to dying. Let's try that again. Yeah, maybe we'll get rid of those spikes on the side there. If you dash too late, you know, screw you over. And you like, maybe we can make this 1 tile lower. And I'd also like for the timing here to be kind of perfect. Right now, we kind of have to like dash upwards in order to catch that zip line. We could probably lower this. I think, I'm wondering if we want our player, is the player in the dash state when we come out? Yeah, we are in the dash state, so if we are in the dash state, we could technically force the player to dash into the portal. I mean, into the zip line from the portal. Yeah, we would have to make this like almost perfect. I don't know. I don't even know if it'll look good. Let's see. Oh, sorry to hear that. 898. Oh, we're way too fast. Crap. Damn. Yeah, I couldn't sleep 2 nights ago, so I went to sleep at like 8 a.m. 2 nights ago. Which kind of screwed me up the next day. But then yesterday, so I had like a really short day because I woke up at like 3 p.m. But then I tried forcing myself to go to sleep at like 12 in order to wake up earlier today. Oh. Maybe timing this thing is ideal. Oh, wait. We're too fat. Oh my god. Apparently I'm still tired because I said that we were too fast and I made it even further away. Let's try that. I think we'll be fast no matter what. So maybe we won't try to time. Oh, there we go. The only thing is, it does look kind of whack. I think we need an animation, like a transition animation, or maybe some particles that show that you're going into the portal. Because right now, we just make the player invisible, and that's it. And we're like, oh look, he's a portal, he's a zipline now, he's an orb now. I should look at how they do it in Metroid. Cause she actually no, she just turns into a ball, right? It's not like she transforms, or she does transform. It's not like she magically becomes a ball. We could leave it like this. I'm wondering if I spam B, what happens? Yeah, this happens. Have I heard of Open 3D Engine? It sounds familiar. O3DE. O3DE. Open 3D Engine. Open source real-time 3D engine. What a name. I haven't looked into it, but what a name. It is I, the creator of, it's actually called Memory now. Welcome, Sparky. I wonder how O3DE runs. I mean, Godot is technically a open source 3D engine. Yeah, it was originally called Project Afterlife. Actually, at a certain point, it was called Jacob's Afterlife. It's actually, like my project files, they still say Jacob's Afterlife, and I think that the project itself, like the name of it, is called Jacob's Afterlife. I think the project directory is called Project Afterlife, and then the game itself, the title screen says Afterlife, and then the Steam page says Memory. So I'm like all over the place. I seem like I'm in a good mood. Yeah, I think I am in a good mood. Yesterday was kind of rough because I didn't get much sleep. I'm just happy that I kind of reset my schedule today. I like forced myself to sleep. I took like 12 milligrams of melatonin. Forced myself to like not touch my phone before bed. So yeah, hopefully we can keep it up. And I think the main reason is because we hit November. I'm trying to release the game soon, so I'm like, I gotta pick this up. You know, I gotta make sure we're almost done with the game. I still haven't gotten better TV. I thought I did. Let me see. Oh wait, no, it wasn't better TTV. It was I don't even know how to. Why is Twitch so difficult to use? What is it? Creator dashboard, creator video producer, maybe extensions. Better. Oh, BTTV. All I see is emote showcase. Or maybe I have to look up better T. Better Twitch, is that what it's called? BetterTV.com. Better TTV. Alright. Let's see this. I'm always afraid of downloading extensions, so I'm just going to see. It's safe. Download from Chrome. How is it that having an extension on my Chrome, how would that make it so that you guys can see it? I'll see you around, Fernando. Thanks for stopping by, man. Alright, so I added the extension. All right, so yeah, I have it installed, but yeah, I'm having a hard time understanding how it would affect my OBS. People can use emotes in my chat, I see. So let's see, am I logged in on Better TV? So Better TTV settings are located in the Twitch chat settings. So now I have to go into chat settings. Better TTV settings. Here, I'll share my This is the Better TTV settings on Twitch. It's all enabled, or it seems like it's enabled. How do I get channel points? Is that like a? I see a bunch of streams have channel points. I don't have channel points. Is it like an affiliate thing? Yeah, I don't know. I'm a boomer. I don't know how to do this stuff. Maybe because I just downloaded it. Maybe like I have to restart the stream or something. I don't know. All right. Oh, it's a partner thing? I know some like smaller streamers that have it. Whatever. I'll look it up later. Let's finish this room up. Alright, so we have a portal here, portal here. I'm gonna try bringing this down one more. Oh. Bring this down one more tile. You know what? I don't want to make this automatic. After all of that work, we're just going to make it so that the player has to catch it. So from here, I go down here. Maybe we put some spikes here. I'm not an affiliate. I used to not. I didn't know this until recently. Like originally, Twitch had some rules where you can't be an affiliate and multi-stream. So I never did it. But also, I wasn't able to be an affiliate until recently. Like I don't know my stats. Like now, I usually get more than like. I think the minimum is 100 or 70 followers or 70 followers, and then you need to have an average of 3 viewers per stream, or three viewers per hour, something like that. Which I do get now, but that was like at the start of like maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, and you have to do it for like a month consistently. So I think we hit that now, but yeah, all of it needs to update. So like by sometime this month, I should be an affiliate. But yeah, I don't really care too much for it. How much money can you really make from Twitch? So there's not much space here. Honestly, what we could do is leave it like this. Like this could be the exit. And maybe we'll do one more room or two more rooms. I think that's what we'll do. Because this room is already pretty good. Pretty good. Leave it. Put some. Something like that. You go over here. Boop. Exit. Maybe we'll put some platform right here. We don't have a background here. Auto tile background. Oh wait, not auto tile background. It's like, what do we call it? Furniture or something like that? No, wall decorations, auto tile. Maybe we could put another teleporter right here and then bring them over. Let's see. Let's just see how this plays first. Also, I didn't realize. Oh yeah, it doesn't. What the hell? So I guess if we're super late to the portal, then we can catch it. Yeah, maybe I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't have that that delay there. Or I mean, not the. Oh, what the hell is happening here? We have like a random tile. So during the span of this stream, we finished only one room. It's crazy how long level design takes. Oh my god. I have some slow brain. So instead of so a lot of people have been suggesting that I add like a particle transition between these two, because the like the animation, even though there is a visual cue, it might be a little bit too much. Another thing that we could do is make sure that like this sort of thing we could just make sure that particles aren't, or portals aren't as common, and that would save us some hassle. Or another thing we could do is, I was thinking of maybe drawing a line between the two, kind of like a flash of light showing that you've teleported, instead of like a portal animation similar to the zip line. Yeah, level designers spend more time drawing in the drawing table than actually putting tiles down. Yeah, I mean, I am technically putting tiles down, but it's I'm always editing it and changing it up. In my opinion, it's hard for me. It's harder than programming, because it's like, with programming, you know what you need to do. With level design, it's kind of subjective. Oops. Can I either lower this or raise it? Yeah, it's not even a it's not even a 3D game. Can't even imagine what, like, Fernando is working on a 3D game. Some other people on the Soul Dev Discord are working on 3D games. I can't even imagine doing that. It's bugging me that this isn't symmetrical here, or it's like, yeah. I mean, maybe we could actually add more space here. I mean, yeah, let's do this. Wait. Eight houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, how's it going, Meltdown? Yeah, in 3D, yeah, it's literally like, it's an entire other axis. So, It is pretty hard, but I will say, like, I guess it depends on what type of game you're making. Like, if you're making a game similar to this, like if you're making a, Super Mario World, like a 3D, Mario Odyssey or something like that, it's like really hard. If you're making like a 3D, RPG, I feel like the level design isn't nearly as intense or isn't nearly as difficult because you just have to put things for like, I don't know, like what's a good example? Like for example, RuneScape or a game like that where like you just have to put objects in a certain spot, and the level design around that is more about just where you want to place things, or like where do you want to put the low level mobs on the high level mobs compared to, or yeah, a linear game like Call of Duty. I wonder. Yeah, it might be easier because there's no. There aren't any real puzzles in Call of Duty. Oh, here's a good game. Here's a good example of like level design that's highly required in a 3D game. Would be something like Resident Evil, like Resident Evil 2 or 3, or no, Resident Evil 2, or 4. Or the newest one, Biohazard 7 or whatever. Trying to think. Yeah, we could leave it like this. Honestly, I still think it's a little weird. Like it's still a little sloppy, but it does work. Oh no. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure out. Maybe we should give them more space. Oh, actually no, we plan on adding bounces. Like right now, you die if you don't dash through the portal. But what I think I'm gonna do instead is it's gonna act like a spring, so you'll just bounce off instead. It doesn't look too bad. But what are we trying to do here? Do we want to make it lower? We'd have to make it like 4 tiles lower. House design knowledge. Yeah, that's true. You have to have a master's in architecture. Architecture. To make it like a thick goo. I think it looks good the way it is. I think the only thing that needs to be updated. Let me see. So I think the export animation looks really good. You know what? Let me try. I'm gonna try making the export and the import the same animation. Let me see something. So no, I do like the. I think the export animation does look better, or like it should look different. Wait, whoops. Crap. What was it? There we go. Okay, so this is the import animation. Wait. Maybe I feel like maybe I mixed these two up. Maybe they should be flipped. Yeah, I feel like that looks better actually. You know, like the more I play with it, the more I feel like it's fine. I think the only thing that would need to be updated is like maybe more transparency, like as you know, like where is it? Like towards the top here. Instead of like it could be like a dark, like a just more transparent. Also, I got rid of the idle animation. I just left it as like nothing. If we do have an idle animation, I feel like it should be maybe something else because it didn't look like a when I put it in. It looked. I mean, maybe because it's like pixel art, it didn't look like a pond. You know what I mean? All right, so yeah, I think we'll leave it like this for now. How long have I been streaming? Oh, never mind. Oh yeah. Hey, welcome back, Bloody Victor. It didn't look like a pond. Let me see. I could try it right now. If I have it in our files. I don't think I do. No, I should. I don't remember what I called it. Oh, there we go. Go here. So yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe if you could like push it back 1 pixel and not have gaps inside. So like maybe switch between gray pixels, like that light gray pixel, and the white pixel, instead of having like transparency in between. I think maybe that'll make it look better. Also, if you don't mind, if you ever want to update it through this. Let's see. Where is it? So yeah, the first one I believe is the export, the second one is the import, and then the third one is the idle. Yeah. So here, wait. Honestly, I could just try. Let me just see if it looks good. With what I mentioned. First one is import. The second one. Let me see. I think I have it switched, but I feel like it actually looks better. I mean, I don't know if it stays true to physics, but I'm using this one currently as the export. Yeah, this one I'm currently using as the export. Actually, yeah, it kind of makes sense that this is the import. It's like you splash through, and then this one you're coming out from. Oh, you guys can't see what I'm doing. So I'm thinking maybe something like this might look better. Oh wait, are these all in the same spot? This is here. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, I think it looks weird. Yeah, the animation would still be needed to be added to the background, but yeah, I feel like it looks kind of weird right now. it's such a small thing, but I feel like I'm paying attention way too much to like small details, things that people aren't even going to notice. Oh yeah, yeah. The balancing thing doesn't. I need to figure out how to make it look good. So yeah, yeah. Right now, like yeah, you could be on the edge here and it'll be doing that. I haven't worked on it yet. Yeah. The thing with game dev is that like a lot of people aren't going to notice the small things. I know game devs are gonna note like it's my favorite thing when someone notices like the subtle things that are added to the game and they're like, oh, you did this, and I'm like, yeah, you're the first one to notice. Like someone who notices the fudging that's in the game. I'm sure people will notice it, or game devs will notice it. But yeah. Where I was going with where I was going with that is that people don't notice the small things, but they will notice if it's not there. You know what I mean? So it's good to have those. It's good to have it there no matter what. And this is a demo. The game is not that big, so we might as well like polish everything. Yeah, so only the OGs are gonna notice the cool or like the adjustments that were made. It's actually super motivating to see old versions. Let me see if I can find it. I'm sure I have it somewhere on my Reddit account. But I think I also have it on my Instagram. Like, when the game looked like this, oh my god. It's crazy how I thought this was like... I thought this was so good at some point. I was like, damn, I'm so good at programming. Are these just screenshots? Is this a video? No, this is a video. Oh my god. This is when we made some progress. But yeah. Wow, this looks so bad. Damn, I hope I say the same thing like 6 months from now. Like, for the current version of the game. You'll know you've made progress. Yeah, wow. thought this was a good game? All right, yeah, and I think this is the first video I recorded. Oh, that's that. What are the walls? What are the backgrounds? I don't know. I had no conception of what contrast was. Alright, so I think we're gonna leave it at that. Yeah. I'm probably gonna end the stream here. We finished the whole room, which is good. That makes, what, 4 rooms in total for the zip line, and then, I mean, we have some portals here, but I do plan on adding more rooms that combine, like, the zip lines and the portals together. And if we have enough time, like, I think I don't know if I should focus on level design for like the next few streams. If we focus on level design, we'd be done with it, and then all I have to do for the rest of the month is just polishing, constant polishing. I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make 4 more rooms, so hopefully just 4 more days of me working on 1 room at a time. And then let's say starting next week, I'll probably just polish, like editing, adding furniture to rooms, maybe making slight adjustments to each of these rooms as we go through them. And then hopefully we're done by the end of the month. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.